out here for a drift playtime night event with Sally. The event starts in about 5 minutes and it is on a Wednesday, so I'm assuming a lot more people will come after work. But the track layout, I'll draw a picture here on the screen of what the track layout is for tonight. It was planned to be something else, but there wasn't enough room due to the power cruise that we just went to, so we've changed the track layout. I'm hoping I can get some tandem practice in with someone, if they'll let me. So I'm hoping maybe he'll let me. Maybe. Yeah. Someone, please. I'm gonna watch a few laps first. I don't know, just to get me not nervous. I always get so nervous, I don't know why. It looks like he's going out, so I'm gonna watch him first and then I'll think about going out. I don't know, it's like the first lap of the day. I always get so nervous, I just want to go home. The first few laps out there with Sally, it took us 2 to get used to it, and on the 3rd it's getting better. There's a lot more people out there now. Just letting the car cool down a little bit. We've got 3 laps in, it got to 100 degrees. It's mostly because the lineup is so long, but anyways, we'll let it cool down and we'll get back out there for some more laps. think on my next runs, the car's hot again, but I think on my next runs I'm going to try enter a little bit later so I don't have to rely on the handbrake as much to slide me that rest of the way. But I got annoyed because I kept stuffing up the entry, so I just like limit abashed it, and now it's hot, so I'm sitting here like, just did another 2 laps, but the car is still getting really hot. We did 2 laps and we're at like 103 degrees and our water temp, so I had to bring her in and let her cool down. But other than that, I'm really struggling to find anyone to tandem with, which kind of sucks. But there's 2 or 3 people here, but they like obviously came with their friends, so I don't want to interrupt. But anyways, I'm having fun. So hot, just on 2 laps of coolant's at 101 degrees and the oil's at like 106. So, but they were good. I'm starting to get better on my entries and I think I heard it backfire. So, but yeah, I just really wish I had tandem practice tonight, but oh well, what can you do? But anyways, I'm having fun anyway. You having fun? He's having fun. went through these set of tyres on my last lap, spun out completely, there's no tyre left. I can't be bothered to change it for the new ones because it's the last lap of the night, and you never say last lap because that's when things happen. So I just packed it up. It's been a cheap night for me. I didn't go through anything, only one set of tyres and like half a jerry can or a jerry can, but no, and I got to meet some really cool people and take Sammy, our 12-year-old apprentice, out for a drive. So he enjoyed his night, I enjoyed my night. I think I'll come back out to one of these again next month, I think. They were pretty good. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.